Hey guys, so today we're just gonna decorate this bookshelf that I recently built for our living room. I'm just gonna start by wiping it down with my Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose spray. If you catch me watching TV, I'm just watching Avi and Lido on YouTube. I really like their channel, so if you haven't seen them, please go check them out. Now I'm just adding a big giant photo of Derek and I on our wedding day on the top shelf. I absolutely love that picture, and then I'm balancing that out with a vase that I've literally had forever. On the second shelf, I'm starting with my favorite picture of my husband and his mom. That's also from our wedding, but I think they're so cute. I'm just gonna put some books next to it. They are kind of a light pastel color. I'm trying to get ready for spring because it's been so cold. I'm like praying for the sun to come out. And I'm gonna pop this wax warmer next to it. This was actually a housewarming gift from one of my good friends. On this third shelf, this was probably like the hardest thing for me because I didn't go buy anything new. I'm just using things that I found around the house. So I put some books there and a couple things next to it. I am gonna switch out that S for something a little bit more bulky, maybe switch out the candle as well. And then also get rid of these tired flowers that I got like forever ago at the Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna switch those out too. Now for the bottom shelf, I'm actually going to put in this giant gray, just like comfy throw blanket, as well as this beautiful knitted white one or cream one. My grandma made me that as a housewarming gift and I absolutely love it. It's definitely one of those blankets that you don't want anyone to touch. So like nobody touch my blanket if you come over my house. And that's it. That's all I did. You can see I have a picture of Derek and I just putting in some, special touches. That shelf right there is gonna look a lot different, and I will keep you guys posted. Maybe I'll post like just a little update photo on YouTube. But that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I can do maybe a haul, and I have some more shelves I need to do as well. So thank you guys for watching, and again, don't forget to subscribe.